If you want to attempt this, open up the Google Play app on your phone and click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen. Afterwards, go into the Help and Feedback section. At the top of the screen, you should already have the Request Your Google Play Refund option, and if you select this, you can just click Continue, select Yes, and Google Play will scan your account to see if you have any recent purchases. As you can see, it doesn't have any recent purchases, so it doesn't allow us to get a refund, which means that only recent purchases are listed there and old refunds will not appear. If you still want to attempt to get an old Google Play purchase refund, what you have to do instead is select the Contact Us option at the bottom of the Help and Feedback page, and in here type your problem. You can just type refund and then select next. Select whichever one of these best applies to your issue, and after you do, go to the next step. In the Resources tab, they're going to give you a bunch of resources that might help you understand if you are eligible for a refund, and if you want to, go ahead and read these. If you still aren't satisfied, select Next Step, and in here, you can either chat with an employee on the customer support or talk to them over email after selecting your preferred language. Select the method that you want to contact Google Play with, and then include the transaction ID that you want a refund of and describe your issue in detail. If Google Play approves of your refund, they will keep in contact with you and see if you are able to get a refund. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you can only automatically refund recent purchases.